for joining. I'm Sarah Kribus, Director of Sales and Marketing at Contemporary Research, and today I'll have CR Sales Executive Nelson Solares joining me to talk features and applications of Contemporary Research's newest product of 2021. This new product is part of a legacy at Contemporary Research. 2021 marks the 25th year CR has been manufacturing tuners, with the first model, the ICC-STA, being introduced in 1996. At the office, we often joke around that everyone knows us as the tuner company and that we are the company that is totally tuned in. It's because we look to you, our integrators, consultants, and users out in the field to let us know what features we need to add to each new product we produce. And this product is no exception. Nelson, I'm eager to tell everyone about this new product. How about you?
Every time we get ready to release a new product, I do get very excited, especially because with all the traveling, I know what everyone is always eager and expecting and always asking for new, latest and the greatest products.
This new product is something that Nelson and I hear requests for all the time, whether in office meetings, trade shows, or calls. This has been 25 years in the making. This is the ATSC-mini. This mini version of our industry standard 232 ATSC tuner offers many of the same great features, but comes in this compact, low-profile enclosure with mounting wings to allow for mounting flush against a wall or display. Nelson, why don't you share some of the features that you are most excited about?
One of the main features that I'm excited about talking about today is that it is PoE. That's a big plus, especially when you're trying to mount it on the back of a TV monitor or a projector. The fact that you don't have to add a power supply, that you can actually power it through Ethernet, makes it such a sweet product.
Yeah, and another feature that a lot of customers ask about is consumer electronics control, or CEC. And this product offers that through the HDMI for display power control.
Exciting to hear CEC control and PoE. Those are two great features, Sarah.
This product not only offers RS-232 controllability, but control via IP, Telnet, and UDP.
Another great feature about our ATSC-mini is the output resolution. Not only is it automatic, but it does have up to 4K scaling.
That is one of the most important features to point out, the video upscaling up to 4K. Thanks for not letting us forget that, Nelson. A question we get a lot is, why do I use a tuner? Where do I use a tuner? And why do we still use tuners? Nelson, how do you answer those questions?
Definitely many reasons why we would use this tuner. If you ever integrate a amazing projector, and those don't come with tuners, nor do the commercial grade TV monitors. Sometimes a lot of times they're arriving without any tuners built in, and sometimes they arrive at the site, and that's when we realize it. Well, this right here will get you out of that pickle.
You're right, Nelson. Any application with professional displays or projectors, tuners, and especially this new ATSC-mini are a great fit. So we talked about the why. Let's talk some more about the where. Nelson, we mentioned the education industry quite a bit in the office when talking about this product. Where are some other applications that the ATSC-mini could be used in?
K through 12 market, but definitely also the higher ed. Anywhere and everywhere in the corporate offices where you're needing to use a tuner, this would be it.
This product is ideal for any application that you need an integration-friendly, controllable HDTV tuner or set-top box. I know we spoke a lot about PoE, but this unit will come with a 12-volt, 1-amp power supply for those applications that PoE is not available or not being utilized. For those looking to use wireless or wired IR commands, the optional accessories of the HD2-RC IR remote control and the IR RXD external IR receiver will be available.
you mentioned the control, it brings to mind that you are able to access the internal GUI pages in the setup process. So not only are you able to do you have push button control on screen display, but you also are able to access it through its internal GUI pages being connected Ethernet.
That's right. Those GUIs are accessible through, which is available for download on our website for free. Nelson, let's take a few questions. One that was submitted earlier was, when will the ATSC be available?
Sarah, I'm so glad you asked. We are currently shipping now.
Yeah, this product is available and shipping now. Another question we get is about the firmware for the ATSC-mini and how that process is done. Nelson?
That is another great question, because with all the travels, I always ask, how much are the firmware updates? And I always am eager to let them know that all of our products, not only this product, they all have free firmware updates for the lifetime of the product.
That is something that we enjoy sharing with customers, that CR does not charge for firmware or technical support services. The firmware for this unit and many others is available through CR Toolbox, which again is available for free on our website. If you're having issues with downloading, setup, or other products, you can reach out to us by phone, email, or even convenient web chat. Well, that about wraps it up. If you have any questions about the ATSC-mini or other products in the CR line that we didn't get a chance to address, you can leave them in the Q&A chat or email us at sales@crwww.com. Thanks so much for joining. Have a great day.